Today I am going to discuss on 5 tools every developer should know in 2025. Are you ready to supercharge your coding skills in 2025? These are the 5 game changers for every developer, whether you are a beginner or a pro. Stick around because number 3 will blow your mind. In this video, I will share you the top 5 tools every developer should know in 2025 to stay ahead of curve. These tools will help you write better code, manage projects efficiently, and deploy apps seamlessly. Before we dive in, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more coding and tech insights. Okay, let's see the 5 tools we are going to talk about. First one is GitHub Copilot, Docker, VS Code with Dev Containers, Postman with AI, and serverless framework. Let's start with GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is the AI-powered coding assistant that is taking the developer world by storm. Some of the key points are powered by OpenAI GPT technology. Copilot helps to write code faster by suggesting entire functions and lines. You don't have to think any of the inner coded functions. Suppose you want to write a function, just you name the function and it auto suggests what you are going to write as per your prompt and concepts. It saves hours by eliminating boilerplate coding and debugging. It works with almost all popular ideas like VS Code, which is the main. And the next one we are going to talk about is the Docker and Kubernetes. It is the largest. It is second on the list is Docker and Kubernetes. If you are into cloud native development, you cannot ignore these tools. Docker simplifies creating containerized applications for consistent environments. Kubernetes orchestrates these containers for scaling and managing apps efficiently, perfect for microservices and architecture. The third one, VS Code with Dev Containers. His key points are Dev containers let you create isolated reproducible environments for coding, perfect for collaborative projects and onboarding new team members. Works flawlessly with Docker. The fourth one is Postman with AI. You already know what does the Postman do, but the insertion of AI inside Postman helps you more efficiently. Postman AI features now automatically generate text, cases, and API documentation, streamlines REST and GraphQL API development, collaboration tools for teams. And the last one is serverless framework. This is a new concept enables rapid development and deployment of serverless apps, supports multiple cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, allowing for event-driven architecture. And this I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.